हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल सोशल शेयर एजुकेशन में।
In today's video, we will write life lessons from Holi. Holi is celebrated around the world, not just on its day but all year, round its color run. There are many reasons this beloved festival has grown. Has grown on the people of the world. It is wonderful how most festivals provide unique opportunities to teach kids about life. I read the story of Prahlad every year. We watch videos and make sure the kids understand what both of those mean in today's life. The story might be mythological, but when explained in today's context, kids learn about how often bad influences affect us, and we need to have faith in our own principles to carry us through life. Life lesson Holi teach us are very profound. Everyone is equal. I make sure to explain to my kids that the meaning of Holi is to show that once color is applied, everyone is the same. The skin color of all becomes the same, and we all are equal in all manners. Once you have children, especially this significance evolves also to one acceptance and love. Environmental awareness. The Holi festival, as I mentioned, has evolved. There was a time when people used to get really dirty throwing mud and eggs or worse, but with time, with repeated do's and don'ts discussed today, everyone who celebrates does so in an environmentally healthy way. This is great time to teach kids about why using organic colors is important. Be kind to animals. I tell them how Holi used to be celebrated, where many people would hurt animals by applying color to them or throwing them in water. How important it is not do the same and to always think of the consequences of your festivities on animals. No means no. Many people choose to remain locked indoors for everyone knows. If you go out, you are bound to end up with color on your face or wet clothes. If someone doesn't like to celebrate, you should not put colors on them. This applies to many other aspects of life where someone might not want to indulge in something they enjoy. Strangers are not all scary. The best part about Holi is the festival is everyone plays it with equal enthusiasm. Even if you go to the place where it is celebrated not knowing anyone, you are greeted like a friend and get colored just as if people already knew you. Your faith in humanity gets restored with that much positive vibes going around. It is a wonderful time to step out of your comfort zone under the watchful eyes of parents. Many kids open up to having fun with people they have just met. Getting messy is fun. Kids usually hate getting their hands dirty. They have gotten so used to using wipes that often things are icky. This day allows kids today in the spin and span sanitized environment to let loose and get messy. It teaches them it is okay to get dirty. This is the only festival where the dirtier you are is reciprocal to the amount of fun you had. After all, life is very messy. It is important to know when to enjoy it and when to purge the mess. Self-care is important. There is a great amount of prep that goes into preparing to play Holi. Wear sunglasses and shut down your eyes. Whenever someone is applying color on you, oiling your hair, or wear old full sleeved and full length clothing to give your skin maximum protection from the colors. Even when indulging in foods and the sweet milk drink, it is important to use moderation in everything you do. Every loving relationship has room for laughter. In Holi, when you play pranks on your loved ones and friends, it is great way to teach kids how to not take themselves and those they care about seriously, how not to get offended on silly jokes, and that there is always room for naughtiness and laughter in a loving relationship.
अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा है तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और बेल आइकन दबाकर नोटिफिकेशन को भी ऑन कर दीजिए। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर वैल्यूएबल टाइम एंड विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर फ्यूचर।